Good morning in Sairam all the students. I welcome you all children. Today in drawing class again we are going to do rectangle art. So let's start. Just like our previous drawing, first I have covered my drawing sheet with masking tape and before start coloring I am spraying water on my drawing sheet. And now we will start coloring. You can use any colors you like to color. I am using orange, yellow, red, blue and green color here. Now I will apply these colors anywhere on my drawing sheet. Now after applying different colors, I will use rough cloth piece and start wiping extra color by dabbing with cloth. Now allow the drawing sheet to dry for a while and then start coloring again. Where the colors was applied in the first layer, apply the same color on the second layer as well. After applying the colors, clean again with rough cloth and then start applying third layer. Just remember that every time you use cloth from the clean side. After colors dry well, with the help of scale and compass, I will draw circles according to my need. After drawing the circles with pencil, now I will draw circles with black sketch pen. After drawing the circle with sketch pen, now we will remove our masking tape with the help of scale so that the tape comes out easily. Now we will start drawing the design. You can also use black gel pen to draw, and now I am drawing flower petals here. Now I will proceed by drawing the circles in the first line and complete this line. Now I will proceed by drawing upside down U in second line and complete this line. If you want, you can also use some more design. Now we will draw this design in full line. Now here I am drawing triangles with curved lines. Now with the help of black pen, I am drawing spiral curved line inside these triangles. Now here we will make some more designs so that our space does not look empty. Similarly, we will draw this design in entire line. After completing this design, now we will fill it. Similarly, we will fill the rest of the designs. Now again here I am drawing triangles with curved lines. And now I am making small curved line triangles inside these triangles. If you want, you can use scale so that your design remain exactly equal, and first use a pencil and then a pen. And now again I am drawing the triangles with the curved lines. Apart from this design, if you want to make another design, then you can make. Now we will proceed by drawing these curved line triangles and complete this line. Now inside these triangles we will draw curved lines. Now I will proceed by drawing curved lines inside this triangle and complete this line. Now we will draw curved lines outside of these triangles but in opposite direction. Now I will proceed by drawing these curved lines outside of these triangles and complete this line. You can also use any other designs you want, or you can also repeat the same design as I am doing. Similarly, we will make different design one by one, or we can repeat the same design and complete this drawing. To make paper flower, I am using A4 size sheet. Now I will cut these sheets in square shape. I am using 3 papers here, but if you want you can use only one paper also. Now, like this first paper, we will fold the remaining 2 papers and cut the extra paper. Now we will start with a square sheet of a paper. Fold the paper in half horizontally, crease it well. Now we will fold the remaining 2 papers in the same way. Now fold the paper in half vertically and crease it well. Now we will fold the remaining 2 papers in the same way, and after that we will unfold all of these. After unfolding papers, we will cut them into 4 equal squares. Now I will fold all these squares one by one horizontally and vertically. After folding all these square papers, unfold them and cut them into 4 equal squares. Now one by one, I will start folding these square sheets in diagonally and then crease it properly. Just like this, in the same way, we have to fold all these square sheets properly. Now that we have folded our all square sheets into triangle form, now we will fold the left and right corner of the triangle up to the top corner of the triangle and crease it well. Now we will fold the rest of the paper in the same way. Now pick one square sheet and flatten the sides as shown in the video. Now fold this paper tip inside and repeat the same process another side. Now fold these sides inside as shown in the video. Now fold into half and repeat the same process with rest of the remaining papers. After folding petals, we will glue outer edges of the petals and leave it to set for few minutes. Now let's paste rest of the petals in the same way. Now one by one, paste 5 petals together as shown in the video. After pasting 5 petals, our flower will look like this. Now let's paste rest of the petals in the same way. After gluing all the petals together, let it dry for a while. Now that the glue is well set, our flowers are also complete. If you want, you can make garlands with these flowers or you can use them the way you like.